Today I'm going to show you how to make breakfast burgers that are low carb, high protein and keto friendly too. You can include any burger fillings you like. I'm going to talk you through my favorite as I go in this video, but they're super simple to make, as you'll see. You can buy ready-made burger patties or you can just form your own. I've got salt and coriander in mine because that's my seasoning of choice, but you could add in pepper or anything you like to taste. So I've got the burgers shaped I'm making for myself, my husband and our 2 kids. We're each going to have a burger for breakfast, a big breakfast burger. So I'm going to cook these till they're browned on both sides, and then we'll fry up eggs and I'll show you my finished burger when it's done. While my egg is frying up, I thought I'd show you because it's going to be covered by an egg in a sec. So we've got the beef burger over there. I've popped some cheese underneath and I picked out a couple of lettuce leaves which will just make a great bun. So you've got the bottom over there, a huge lettuce leaf, and the top over here too, you can see it makes a lovely burger, and I'm just going to pop the egg on next. And there you go, look at my perfect breakfast burger. We've got the lettuce bun, cheese, lovely burger patty, and an egg on top. And when I pop the lid onto it, you just pierce the yolk, and oh, look at that amazing, beautiful breakfast. It's so hearty and just so high in protein, low carb, perfection. So that's this video for quick and easy breakfast burgers. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.